Here's the fantastic little photographic guide of the Beetle restoration. Started off as a light blue car and then turned to red. Just mentions here the previous owner asked their friend in the 1990s to source them a Beetle in Germany. It was driven back here. It was the family car since 1991, started to deteriorate, and in 2018 they decided to have a full restoration done. Car was completed July 2020. This book records its restoration journey. February 2018, she's on her way to Emilio's. As you can see, it was light blue at that stage. It got totally stripped down. A fair bit of rust was taken out of it. It really was in worse condition than they thought, which is typical for any restoration. Everything here was etch primed. Underneath was treated to as much attention as the top. Loads of new panels welded in. Boot lid fitted, very well protected underneath. Wings and doors, I'm not sure if they were replaced or just refreshed. Engine was redone, and then she's treated to some rust proofing to ensure that it'll be around for another 40 years. Finished in this beautiful shade of red. Front brakes are upgraded from discs to drums. Sorry, from drums to discs. New bumpers fitted. Huge amount of work and expenditure went into this car. Engine ready to be fitted, and there she is in its completed condition. Underwent an NCT when it was finished, and it passed first time. On the road again.